Welcome student, I am Professor Sunil Chinte. In these sessions, we are going to discuss about the Java beans. Okay, it is the unit number 6 of a client server computing. Okay, in previous sessions, we already discussed about the JSP. What is meant by JSP? How JSP is used to create the dynamic web page and how it provides the additional functionality, okay, than the servlets. Okay, so JSP is a technology that can be used to create the dynamic web page, and it is the server side scripting language. We discussed everything about the JSP, but in this sessions we have to discuss about the Java beans. Okay, so actually Java beans is nothing but a Java, one type of a Java classes. Okay, it is the one type of Java classes, and you know that what is meant by class. तो आप सभी जानते हो कि क्लास क्या होता है, जैसे कोर जावा के अंदर और सी प्लस प्लस और एनी ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग, कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग के अंदर हमने जावा सॉरी क्लासेस के बारे में पढ़ा है कि व्हाट इज बाय क्लासेस, हाउ क्लासेस कैन बी डिजाइन, हाउ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज क्रिएटेड और हाउ मेंबर फंक्शंस कैन बी एक्सेस. ओके, तो वी ऑलरेडी learn about the classes. So let's see what is by classes. Okay, so class is the collections of data members and the member function, जिसके अंदर हम number of member functions और data use करते हैं along with some constructors. Okay, means class is the collections of data members and the member functions along with constructor. तो Java base is also one type of Java class. So Java base is a one type of class, but it is the special type of class. Okay, with the default constructors. Means in Java base we use default constructor. What is by constructor? A constructor is a special member functions of a class. कंस्ट्रक्टर क्या होता है? इट इज दी वन टाइप ऑफ स्पेशल मेंबर फंक्शंस ऑफ क्लास हैविंग द सेम नेम एज अ क्लास नेम. तो कंस्ट्रक्टर क्या होता है? तो एक क्लास का मेंबर फंक्शंस होता है, ओके, हैविंग द सेम नेम एज अ क्लास नेम. कंस्ट्रक्टर कैन बी विद द आर्गुमेंट्स और विदाउट आर्गुमेंट. कंस्ट्रक्टर कैसे हो सकता है? कंस्ट्रक्टर विद आर्गुमेंट और कंस्ट्रक्टर विदाउट आर्गुमेंट रह सकता है. तो जावा बेस के अंदर क्या है? अ कंस्ट्रक्टर विदाउट आर्गुमेंट. जावा बेस कैन हैव अ कंस्ट्रक्टर विदाउट आर्गुमेंट्स. ओके, तो व्हाट इज बाय जावा बेस? अ जावा बेस इज अ स्पेशल कंस्ट्रक्टेड जावा क्लास रिटन इन अ जावा code. Okay, and coded according to the Java Beans API specifications. So Java Beans is the one type of Java classes. Okay, that have the following properties. Okay, तो क्या properties है? It provide default or non argument constructors. Means Java Beans, okay, have the default constructors. Okay, so I already told you what is by constructor and what is by default constructor. Default constructor means a constructor with constructor without arguments. It should be serializable. Okay, it should be serializable and implement the serializable interface. Okay, means the Java base should be serializable and implement the serializable interface. It may have number of properties which can be read or writes, or read only or the write only. Means the Java base have the number of property that can be read or the writes. Okay, means Java base is the one type of class with the default constructors. Okay, it should be the serializable and implement the serializable interface, and it have the number of properties which can be read or write. Means the property can be read or write. It may have the number of getter and setter methods. Means Java base can have the getter and the setter methods. What is by getters and the what is by setter method? Here the getter methods are the methods that get the values, and the setter method that can assign the values to the properties. Means if you want to get the values, that times we use the getters, if you want to set or the assign the value, that times we can use the setter methods. Means the Java beans can have the getter methods and the setter methods. Okay. Java beans properties. Okay. What is the Java beans property? Java bean property is a name attributes. It is the names attributes. The attributes can be any Java data types. Attributes can be any Java data types, including the classes that you define. तो different data types होता है, जैसे हमने देखा है कि जावा के अंदर हम डिफरेंट डेटा टाइप्स यूज कर सकते हैं, जैसे स्ट्रिंग होता है, इंटीजर होता है, ओके, लाइक दैट, और यू कैन यूज द you can use the class type data type also. मीन्स अगर हम जनरलाइज डेटा टाइप्स अगर देखते हैं तो जनरलाइज हम कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं डेटा टाइप्स को, तो बिल्ट इन और द प्राइमरी डेटा टाइप्स, सेकेंडरी और द डिराइव्ड डेटा टाइप्स एंड द यूजर डिफाइंड डेटा टाइप्स. तो क्लास इज द यूजर डिफाइंड डेटा टाइप्स. मीन्स the attributes can be any Java data types along with the user defined class. A Java based property may be read only or the write only. Means the properties of the Java base can be write or read only or the write only. Java base property are accessed through the two methods. Okay, means the properties can be accessed by the two methods, that is the getter and the setters methods. Okay, so we already discussed that Java base can have the getters and the setters methods. Getters that will get the value and set that will set the value. Now let's see the different methods of the base, that is the get property names and the set property names. These are the two methods. Okay, for example here, if property name is the first names, okay, so suppose the student objects have the different properties such as the first names, last names, age, class. Okay, so these are the properties or the attributes. Okay, so if you want to set or if you want to get the first name of a student, that times we use the first names. Okay, if property name is the first name, your method name would be get first name. Here how we can write the methods, that is the getter methods, if the property name is the first name. अगर property name first name है तो then after we can write the property name as the get first names, that is the getter method of the NetBeans. Similarly, if you want to use the setter methods and your property name is the first name, then after we can write the setter method as the set first name to write the property. This method is also called as a mutators. Means setter method is also called as a mutators and the getter method is also called as the accessor. Means the Java beans methods, Java beans can have the accessor and the mutators. Accessor is nothing but a getter methods and the setter method is nothing but a mutators. Okay, by its naming conventions, accessor that can access the value, mutators that can modify, that can assign the new value or that can modify the values. That's why it is called as a mutators. Means any Java based class have the getters and the setters methods. And how we can write these getters and setter methods, that we have just explained these things. Means Java beans have the accessors and the mutators. Now let's see the simple examples through which we can understand how we can write the beans. Okay, that is the Java beans. So here, so we can see here the public class, then the name of the class, that is the class students. Okay, class students, then the number of variables, that is the first name, last names, and the number of methods, that is the getter methods and the setter methods. Okay, getter methods and the setter methods. If you want to set the first name, okay, that times we can use the get first names if you want to get the last names, that time we can use the get last names, or if you want to get the age property, that times we can use the get age. Similarly, we can use the setters method, that is the set first name, set last names, and the set age names along with one constructors, that is for the default constructors. Means we can write Java beans, we can write Java beans class with the constructors, and number of getters and the setters methods. Okay, we can use the number of getters and the setters methods along with some data values. Okay, so this is the Java beans class. Okay, so how we can write or how we can compose the Java beans class? So Java beans class can have the number of getters and setter methods, and it have also the default constructors. Okay, means a constructor with the 0 arguments along with the डेटा मेंबर्स. ओके, तो जावा बेस हमने यहाँ पे देखा है कि हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट द जावा बीन्स. नाउ हाउ वी कैन एक्सेस जावा बीन्स. ओके, हाउ वी कैन एक्सेस जावा बीन्स. फॉर द एक्सेसिंग जावा बीन्स वी हैव टू यूज द actions. Okay, we have to use the use bin actions. Okay, for the accessing Java beans we have to use the use bin actions. Okay, declare in a Java beans or the use in JSP. Once declared, the beans becomes the scripting variable that can be accessed by scripting elements and other custom tags used in the JSP. Okay, so this is the syntax through which we can access the Java beans. So here the JSP actions, that is use bin, then the ID, that is the unique names, then the scope, that is the scope of, that means the scope, request scope, page. Okay, so these are the scope that you can specify the scope of. So means how, this is the syntax that how you can access the Java beans. Okay, by using the use bin actions. By using the use bin actions we can access the Java beans. Okay, so this is the introductions about the Java beans. So what is by Java beans? So Java beans is the one type of Java class that have the default constructor along with the number of getter and the setter methods, and the getter method is nothing but a accessor and the setter method is nothing but a mutators. Means the Java beans class can have the accessor and the mutator methods along with the default constructor, and it also implements the serializable interface. Okay, so this is overall about the Java beans. Okay, तो I hope कि आपको ये कंसेप्ट जावा बीन्स का कंसेप्ट आपको समझ में आएगा. वी विल सी डिटेल्स, ओके, about the Java beans along with the implementations of Java beans with the one example in next sessions. Okay, so thank you student.